Big Blue Button, Breakout Rooms. Moderators can divide the class into groups and create breakout rooms for group work and discussions using the Manage Users icon. Click on the Manage Users icon and select Create Breakout Rooms. In this example, there are only 2 students, but in a real class there are likely to be more. Breakout rooms can be assigned by clicking on the Randomly Assign link. Click on the Unassign link to unassign the breakout rooms. Breakout rooms can also be assigned by dragging students' names into different rooms. Choose a duration, in minutes, after which participants return to the main session. Please note, you can also increase or decrease the duration while students are in the breakout rooms. Check Allow users to choose rooms if that is appropriate for your session. You can also choose to save the whiteboard, the shared notes, and the invitation to assign moderators for each room. If you choose the Save options, the whiteboard and shared notes will be saved as PDF files after the breakout room ends. When you are ready, click on the Create button. The moderator of the session will be returned to the main room. Each participant will receive a prompt to join the room. They should click on the Join Room button. After entering the room, each participant should confirm their audio settings again if required. During the breakout session, instructors can view the groups and the remaining time listed in the Breakout Rooms panel. Instructors can use the ellipsis in the top right corner of the Breakout Rooms panel to change the duration, manage users, or end the breakout rooms. Instructors can also send a message to all breakout rooms from this panel. Instructors can click on the Ask to Join link to join a breakout room. Please note that the main recording of the Big Blue Button session will pause when learners are in breakout rooms. When the time limit has been reached, the breakout room will close. Users can click on the OK button, or they will be returned automatically to the main Big Blue Button room.